Hello everyone, and welcome to Automotive History through Diecast. Today I have a bunch of stuff that isn't really diecast I wanted to show you, so I figured I'd go through it. Show you some of my customs, and then I get some heat I want to show you. I think it's super cool, but it's my favorite casting. So to start out with, we got these Lego Fast and Furious. This is Dom's Charger. Pretty cool, pretty detailed. He's actually kind of funny. He's bald. What I thought was super interesting, I don't know if you can see it in there, they actually provide you with the wrench. If you watch Fast and Furious, you know Dom went to jail for beating another guy who killed his father with a wrench. So I thought that was kind of interesting. It's got the blower, and then this one is really popular right now. It's actually hard to find. People are charging a premium. This is Brian's Skyline. Has like 3 bottles of nitrous in there. Very cool adjustable rear wing. Proper graphics. It is right-hand drive. Just very cool. Something that, you know, just more car stuff, I guess. Best way to put it. I also got this mat. It's a parking lot mat. And then I got this. I thought this was really cool. This is just a picture. I got it off Whatnot. But it's all the decos of the 55 Gasser. You can see Candy Striper in the middle. The Zamek. Firestone one. I mean, all of them. They're all there, which is pretty cool. The next thing I got is an Esheet. I didn't know what an Esheet was until this guy was selling them. This is the Esheet for the 454 Chevy pickup. It is signed by Brandon Vatuski. I do have a picture of him signing it. So I'm going to make some kind of shadow box or something. Here's the black one, and then very soon the red one comes out. So I'll put both those in a box with the signed Esheet. I found this Datsun 510. Not really a Datsun guy, but the detail on this thing was just amazing. I had to pick it up. The motor on it, I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you. The motor on it has a turbo, just really neat, full cage. Just a really cool 1/24 scale. And then the last thing I picked up was this diorama. I got this from my buddy in Korea. Magic City is the name of the dioramas. They have Toys R Us, Kentucky Fried Chicken, and McDonald's. I got myself the McDonald's one. I was thinking maybe you could write in the comments if you want a video of me putting this together. I never put it together, so I'll probably stumble through it, but I thought it'd be kind of cool if you guys wanted to see it. It's the original McDonald's with the golden arches, so it's got 2 arches that run through the roof. So if you're interested in seeing that, let me know, and I will make a video on it. Alright, let's do some customs. Gotta get my turntable going. There we go. Zoom in maybe. Okay. So start with this Dodge van. This is actually that fast change paint, purple to green to like a brownish color. I thought it'd be cool to do that, and then some kind of 70s theme. Just reminds me of like those 70s vans cruising around all done up. So that one was fun to do. This next one was not my idea. It was a buddy of mine, but I copied it and did it a little different. This is the transport from this year. I think it came out in a case. It was blue. I painted it pink, and then I also painted the Cool Combi pink. These are some decos I had for a gasser, chick magnet it was. I just put them on here. I thought it looked pretty cool. Stock wheels. I didn't change the wheels or anything. I think I'm just going to keep them the way they are. But I thought it was a cool design. Now, everyone knows I got a Grand National, and for some reason, I just can't seem to make a cool Grand National. I've been messing with some colors, some rims. These rims are too big. They don't roll, but I want it kind of like that donk look. I don't know what it is. I'm just missing something. I don't know if I got to put graphics on them. If that's what I'm missing. I made this one. This is actually automotive paint. My buddy has a 60 Impala painted this color. He gave me some of his paint. Super nice paint. I gotta cut the axles. They're too long, but I don't know. It's missing something. And then, like I said, I am a huge gasser fan. So this is one I did. It's called the Money Pit. It has $100 bills all over it. Came out pretty nice. I did do headlights and taillights on it. And I thought a green windshield was kind of appropriate since it was, you know, money. This next one I did for a friend. He wanted a 420 truck. Just a simple white. These decals will only work on white or light colors because they're not white backed. So he wanted to go with white. And then I did another Silverado. He's a big Silverado fan. I still have to put wheels on this one, but wheels and clear coat. But there's a Monster Energy Silverado. Again, it has to be in white because of the decals. They're not white backed, so they whatever color shines through them. So you can't have a dark color. And then now time for the heat, or what I think is heat. I bought this off Whatnot. Whoops. This is a Silverado casting straight from Mattel. What a lot of people don't understand is Mattel does sell these. This is not something that was stolen from the factory. There are limited people they offer them to for the right price, and they resell them. So this I thought was kind of cool. If you're a Silverado collector, have a casting. And then I think I've showed you this one before, but this is an unspun gasser from this year. This is the yellow one. Well, I got the blue one. Again, unspun. Does come apart. So there's an unspun on both colors this year, which makes them a little more rare, you know. And then what I got that I think is super cool, which is kind of very rare, is, I think I showed you this one before. This is a factory custom. So when they're making the cars, they are thinking about other colors. They paint other colors, put decos on, and then they decide which ones they'd like to sell. So I got this red one. It's pretty cool. Sorry about that. Like I was saying, this is a red one. They may make it in a future year, but most likely not. It's just something they mess around with, and then I don't know who decides, but they decide if it's going to be made or not. And then I have this orange one. Super nice. I don't know if it would come with these purple windows. You know, it's more of the tampos and the color. They kind of just slap it together. It didn't come with wheels, but I have plenty of extra gasser wheels that I can put on these to make them complete to go on my shelf. And then the last color, which I really like, is this aqua color. As you can see, it's not the same color as what came out. It's a different bluish green. But I think any of these would have been a good choice. But it's nice to have all of them to display. When that's a casting you really enjoy, it's cool to have as many variances as possible. Well, I appreciate you stopping in. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.